Battery is getting kind of low, 30%. Let's see how long it takes to charge. Just after 5. Does that thing tell the time? There we go, 17:04. Charge, GoPro, charge. Starting upload, awesome. Love the auto upload feature. Just woke up, good morning. So testing the GoPro, came into the office last night right before bed, turned off all the lights. It is now 06:13 in the morning. Let's see what happened to the GoPro charging test. So there it is. I thought I clicked off, but what I did instead is I just turned off my red lamp over there, and this was on like this all night. Let's see how warm it gets. 82 degrees, 85, 70 inside the battery chamber. Yeah, it looks like, ooh, a little 93, 90, okay. A little warm to the touch, so we can unplug that. And the nice thing is the battery door is open, so that kind of helps keep it cool. That red light is on. I don't know what that means. There really needs to be a universal time for how long you hold down the power button to power something on. That's just me. What does that mean? So I'll power it on or not. Huh. Did it lock up? Am I gonna have to read the user manual? Okay, let me look at the user manual. Hang on. This may take a while. There's a lot of pages here. Chat with our experts at gopro.com/answers. No need to return your product to the store. So that, whoa, that is, even with my glasses, that's small. Okay, I'm gonna boot up the old computer here, and I'm just gonna read this online because that is really, can you read that small font? Even with my glasses, I can barely read that. Shoot. Google to the rescue. When in doubt, chat a friend. That's what I did. Contacted my friend Ryan. He's had GoPros for quite some time, and there's a little reset thing I can do. I press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. So here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 10. The red light turned off. There we go. Okay. And the battery life is at, strangely enough, 95%. Okay. And I have 1 hour and 10 minutes of shooting in cinematic mode. Power this off. Okay. Power it off. There we go. Powering off. And we'll just let it rest for a bit. And that's why you don't charge your stuff overnight. Now, if that doesn't work, so you press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, the mode button on the side here, right here, and this is the GoPro 10 Hero Black. If that doesn't work, sometimes they have found that you just take out the battery. So you just open up that slot and pull out the battery and, whoops. Okay, that's not supposed to happen. Oh, crap. Okay, my battery tab came off, and shoot, hang on, let's switch the side here. Okay, my battery little tab thing came off, and there we go. Come out. Come out of the camera. There we go. Well, the good news is they sent me 2. Boy, that was not supposed to happen. No, that's not part of the plan here. Well, contact GoPro. Let's see. 95, 93. Woo, good thing the battery door is open, or this thing would be piping hot. Let's check the internals. 83, 82. yeah, we're just gonna let that rest. Well, there we go. A fun experience with GoPro on my second week with this Hero 10 Black. My battery is now a little bit, not damaged, but with this thing not being all sticky anymore, that's going to create some problems. So looks like I'll contact the company. I'll let you know what happens. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.